Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Today we're looking at the most followed Zimbabweans on Facebook. Firstly, we have Strive Masiwa with 5.5 million followers. Strive is a Zimbabwean billionaire businessman and philanthropist. He's the founder and executive chairman of Economic Global and Cassava Technologies. Secondly, we have the Musekas with 2.9 million followers. This is a family of content creators. Thirdly, we have Tidy and Wife with 2.8 million followers, also content creators. Fourthly, we have Tari and Martin with 2.8 million followers. These are award-winning content creators and marriage counselors. Fifth place, we have Kim and Tanaka, a young, vibrant couple, also content creators. These have 2.5 million followers on Facebook. We also have Hubert Angel with 2.2 million followers. He is a philanthropist, a teacher of the Word of God, and a life coach. Madam Boss, a comedian, socialite, and businesswoman with 2.1 million followers. We also have My Titi with 2 million followers. Ja Praiser, a musician and proud ambassador of the Zimbabwean culture with 2 million followers. We also have Passion Java, a prophet with 1.3 million followers, a dancehall artist and songwriter Freeman with 1.3 million followers. We have Emmanuel Makandiwa, a philanthropist, a teacher of the Word of God, and a life coach with 1.2 million followers. We have a gospel musician Dorcas Moyo with 1.1 million followers. If you want to add to our list, feel free to do so on the comments section. And once again, do not hesitate to like and subscribe to our channel at Zimstek Media.